Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video I will show you that how to use Trello. This is a Trello complete tutorial how to use Trello for absolute beginners. So first of all, you need to open up the Opera here, and before get starting in the video, I want you guys to like this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser here. You can use any browser here like Google or Opera, whatever you want, and then you will type here like this one, Trello. Okay, and then you will open up this link here where it says Trello, manage your team's projects from anywhere. So Trello is basically a project management tool where if like let's suppose that if you and your team are working on a very big project, then you can basically manage your whole project in one place, and you can basically track your employees work in one place. So Trello is a very great web-based application that you can use for the project management and manage your whole project. So first of all, you will open up this link here where it says Trello, and then for some cases it's free, but it also has the pricing here. Okay, like if you want some more extra features from Trello, then you can actually buy their premium membership. So if we have a look at the pricing here, then we will get to see. So basically we will use this free version here. So this free version is for individuals or teams looking to organize any project. So in free version here we will have unlimited cards, but we only have like 10 boards, unlimited power ups per board, unlimited storage, 250 workspace command runs per month, custom background and stickers, unlimited activity log, assignee and due dates, iOS and Android mobile apps, two-factor authentication. And then we have this $5 a month, so for small teams that need to manage work and scale collaboration. So unlimited board, advanced checklist, custom freedom storage, and 1000 workspace commands. And then we have like premium version, which is the $10 per month. And then we have the enterprise version for, and this is for the organizations. Okay, for organizations that needs to connect work across teams with more security and controls, but we will stick with this free version. Okay, so basically first of all we have to create an account on it. So we will tap on this get started here with the free version, and now it is saying that you can basically sign up for Trello. So you can either enter your account here, or you can just continue with Google, continue with Microsoft, continue with Apple, and they even have the Slack support here. So I will just click on this one where it says continue with Google, and then my Google accounts will basically open up. So I will choose this account here, and then you will see that in a couple of minutes my account has been created. And then I will tap on create your account here, and we just have to wait a little bit because it's processing here. Maybe it's creating the account here, so we have to wait a little bit here. And now you can see that our Trello dashboard has been created successfully. So it depends upon the speed of the internet. Okay, so so welcome to Trello. Let's create your workspace. So name your workspace, project or team, everyone and everything in one place. Okay, so we just have to like create our first workspace here. So what we can basically do this that if we have a team, we can basically enter their email addresses here, and then what this will do is this will basically send them invite to join my new workspace, and we can enter as many email addresses as we want. Okay, but we can also do this later in the workspace settings. So I will just click on this create your workspace here, and then it is showing me some kind of offer, but we don't need it, so we will just skip this part here. And then I think that our Trello dashboard will be created. So we just have to wait a little bit here. So dark mode is here. Okay, you can choose light mode, dark mode, or automatically sync to your computer settings. So right now it's dark mode and it's great. Okay, so here you can see that we have a new Trello workspace here. So this is the UI, this is the user interface you will see when you will open the Trello here. So we have like couple of options here. We have boards, templates, and home. And right now we just have like in the Trello workspace here, this is our new workspace here. So if we want, we can just enter a new board here. So if I click on the board here, you can see that we have pre-made templates here. Okay, so like what templates do, templates actually if we use templates, 50% of the work will already be done. Okay, so what we will do here, we will basically choose a template here. I will just go back from here, and first of all we will choose a category. So get going faster with a template from the Trello community, or choose a category. So I will choose the education, and it will show me all the templates related to the education. So lesson planning and syllabus template, and team a language. So what we can do here, we can just basically like browse full template gallery. So we will just click on this one, and this will give us the template gallery here, because some templates are paid also, because all the templates are not free. So we just have to like check that which template is paid and which template is free. So I will just tap on the education list here, and it should show me the education templates related to the education here. So we just have to wait a little bit here. So right now here you can see that we have like my multiple different templates related to the education here. So what we will do here, basically syllabus template. So I will just use this template here, and I think that this is free. So I will just click on this one, and this template will load in the new window here. So you can see the about template here, like what this template is about. This template is about syllabus, and this is the overview of the template, that how the template will look like. And then we have related templates. So in order to now use this template, what you have to do, you will just click on this use template option, and then you will rename this. So you can just type this like my syllabus template, and then you can just hit on create option here, and then you will see that our new template has been created. So here you can see that our new Trello template has been created. Okay, so this is the UI, this is the user interface you will see when you will create a new template. So these are the cards basically. Okay, and you can add basically I think 10 cards. So and you can basically drag and drop these cards, like you can just if you want, you can just automatically customize like this one. And if you tap on the three dots on any card here, you will see bunch of different options here, like add card, copy list, move list, watch. You can basically sort that list. And you can also do the automation, like when a card is added to the list, do this every day sort list, and every Monday sort list, and create a rule and move all cards in the list. And like you can do multiple things with this. And if you can just tap on this plus icon here, you can see that you can even change your background here. So if I do this one, you will see that it's changed. Yeah, I also add the background image as well. So if I tap on this one here, board title, so I will just tap the board title here. So I will just give it a name like new board, and just create this, and I think you will see the change in it. So it's new here, but I just wanted to check that why the background is not changed. Okay, let's go to this template here, close board here, and let's do this one. Okay, so these are the like different options that you can do with the Trello here. And if you want, you can just add a new card here, like this is the topic 2 session, this one. You can add a new card here like session 5, and add a card here, enter a title for this card. If you want, you can just like new session, new sorry session 5, and just add this card here. Okay, so and if you wanted to delete any card, maybe you just pull this one, and there should be an option to delete, but I don't know why it's not here. Okay, so and then if you want to add any members to this, you can just tap on the members here, and then you will just basically enter the email here, and they will get the invitation link, and you can just copy this link here and invite them to this. Okay, and that's it guys for this video here. You are free to explore. You can just check any other options that you like, and we have like this workspace settings here. If you just open up this one, then we have this multiple workspace settings here. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.